Yeah, you already know what it is. You know how I'm coming for it, nigga. You know I been there. Go check the scoreboard.
Goddamn DJ with a nugget.
Fuck them niggas, think they fucking with me, swear to God we slaughter. Hey, them niggas say they riding, but you know that they not riding. Niggas say they on my top, will bust the top if you think that you bout it. I poured a nigga whole car, cause I know he ain't bout it. I slide the block to drop the top, you better check the scoreboard. I swear to God, hey, once it's up, I bet it can't come down though. Them niggas talking when they dissing, bet I'm not around though. But when I pull up, we'll clear it out, don't make no sound though. Put a suppressor on the Glock, now I see in his head. I'm tryna hit a nigga from the back and smack his legs. Make him think about the choices that he did when he dissed the nigga. I fuck that, I make the chopper go and kiss the nigga. I bless them niggas on the internet, try make some noise. He acted like he hard, I swear to God, you a little boy. I was in that jail for attempted murder, bitch, go check the records. Them niggas playing like they bought it. Boy, you not a stretcher, don't make me catch you out in public, I'ma pull your whole card. He keep on playing till I dump him in the fucking graveyard. Know all my niggas really reckless, better go ask about me. He keep on talking till I serve inside that motherfucking naughty. Heard these niggas gon' doubt me, niggas ain't got no money. Lil' broke bitch, you look funny. I been thumbing through hundreds, the type to smack you in front your mama, then make your last run. This some the story, yes, I'm talking about it if you ain't gunning.
Goddamn DJ with a nugget.